guys, this is Kenneth Fernandez and this is my answer. As a student and a youth member, we are always interested in the new technology today. In our generation today, we are all focused on our gadget to the point that it harms our health physically and mentally. When we use technology, our knowledge expands and our works become easier. So it is also a great help to us people. In my own opinion, it has a negative and positive effect for all of us. We all know that technology is helpful to make our work becomes easier, and it does a lot for us. What is the negative effect of this for us? With technology, they can do our other jobs. Just like we saw in GMA, which is an AI broadcaster, and in other countries, the hotel receptionist is a robot, and many others. Many people are unemployed today, so this is a concern for us because there may be more unemployed people if this technology continues. It also has many bad effects on students, such as plagiarism and academic integrity. Plagiarism and academic integrity. Easy access to online resources may lead to increased instances of plagiarism and academic dishonesty. Health issues. Prolonged screen time can lead to physical health problems such as eye strain, poor posture, and sleep disturbance, which can impact overall academic performance. Distraction. Social media, games, and other online activities can divert attention away from studying and academic work. Technology has made spreading information faster and easier, but it also has downsides, including the spread of false information, creation of echo chambers, privacy issues, and information overload. Balancing these challenges with the benefits of rapid dissemination requires careful management and media literacy. So we should discipline in using it, and we should be observant because it can affect our whole life. We will always remember that everything in excess is bad. Thank you.